Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the very first time, make sure to subscribe to see my travel vlogs from around the world. Now in today's video, we are unboxing this wooden travel map, which I was planning to get for a very long time, and finally it is here. It has arrived. So let's get going, guys. Very beautiful packing. As you can see, it's made in Ukraine. This will be my wall of fame. I'm gonna put it on the wall. By the way, I'm gonna include installation video also here, so stay tuned. All right. Okay, have some packages inside the package. I guess this is some instructions. And I did my homework out of maybe half a dozen different vendors who provide this type of maps. This for by far the best one in terms of the quality. Quality is very important when you get something like this. Okay, I think I missed something here. Oh yeah, I missed a whole continent. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. This is Africa. This is absolutely beautiful. All right, now we are into, okay, Russia. Russia comes in a few pieces, I guess, because it's so big. Okay. Europe, again, very beautiful, very detailed. You can see all the country names, their capitals. All right, what do we have here? All right, South America. Such a beautiful piece. It's wooden piece and it's also 3D. I'm gonna zoom it for you guys so you can see. So it's not just one level, there's actually 3 layers of wood here. Okay, we have Australia here. All right, United States of America. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Also, I should mention that on each country they have this little hole where you can put a pin, and that way you can mark which countries you have visited. And I have another pin box here. I'm going to open that in a second. But look at that. The US, it has all the individual states, and you can also mark which states you have visited. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, by the way, Canada, my country, is also here. All right, moving on to Asia. What a beautiful piece of art. Look at this. And you can select different color palettes. This one happened to be kind of brown, grayish, beige. Look at this, so beautiful. Absolutely love it. Okay, and then smaller pieces, have to be careful here not to damage them. Thailand, Malaysia. It's very solid piece of wood. And then we have Sweden, Finland, Norway, and then Caribbean countries along with Mexico. More of Asia. Absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm in love with this, man. I'm absolutely in love with this. This is more than I was hoping for in terms of the quality. We have Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. Beautiful. Turkey. The quality is unbelievable. They have also everything that you need to install this beauty. Oh, cool. So they come with a whole bunch of double-sided tapes, which I'm going to be using soon when I install this. And they have this cute kind of labels. You can put it on the wall as well. Pacific Ocean, in Atlantic Ocean. And then they have other, that's very nice. Like your compass. And they also have this, okay, that's cool. So basically those are like airplanes and boats that you can also add to your wall. Wow. Oh, they also have smaller countries here. I just noticed them. They have Yeah, the ones that are not part of the main map. I guess those are islands. Yeah, I see New Zealand here. I see Cyprus, Tasmania. Small ones, you just have to break them and it will be part of your decoration on the wall. And now let's open this small box that I told you about. Ready? Look at that. This is absolutely unbelievable. All the pins for every single country in the world, which you can take it out and just put them on your map. Oh my God. They also have all the states of the US here, all the provinces of Canada, and states of Australia. So very detailed. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful piece of art. This is absolute masterpiece. So I'm going to see you guys soon, where I'm going to be installing all of this in my living room. And again, if you like this, I have a description. I have a link. I'm going to put a link for this product under this video so you can go and buy it. And I'm going even to put a code there where you can get discount for yourself. Oh my God, I can't believe it. This is so freaking beautiful. I'm in love with it. And now the fun begins. Choose a wall, attach the stencils. And now let's put the pins in. And voila! Look at this map. I love the way it turned out. It's absolutely gorgeous. The pins make it even more beautiful. Now, if you want to get a present for yourself or for your friend, this is the best present for any world traveler. I have included a link to their website under this video, and also I included a discount code for you guys. Now, the size of this map is large. I recommend taking at least large size because those pins work with this size. They also have extra large size, I believe. So yeah, check it out, and thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you somewhere else in the world.